Next we have the blue capacitors, and I have a love-hate relationship with these things. First off, I don't know if you can make this out at all. It's like impossible to read these things. They have a 103 or a 104 on them, and they're so faint you can't even tell which side has any markings on them. And I can't tell you how many times I've reversed them. And you have to have them just right, left, right, polarized. So you waste a lot of time just kind of squinting at it and holding the magnifying glass up. But at least you don't have to bend them the way you do the resistors. So I have these already sorted and ready to go. So I do them 2 at a time, and then I flip them over. Because these face up, they don't leave as much of the wire versus the resistors that were bent sideways. So then I double check to make sure let's see if this thing, you can barely make out the numbers there. 103, 103. Of course it's YouTube, so probably won't see it. I'm going to put on 2 more. Did I even have this in front of the camera when I did the other 2? Probably not. But now you can see. Just double check. So once it's on there, it's very hard to get them off without ruining them if you have to reverse them. So you just want to get this right the first time. Spend the time on it. I usually go a little faster when I don't have the camera, but that's the end of this step. And then usually if I'm really careful, I'll bend them, straighten them a little bit, but that's just a finishing touch. Now we have more capacitors to do.